Mine is 6. I don't have no 2. I don't have no 7s. 7 back to back.
52, 52, 72, 72,
5. Can I get it back to back? Give me a back to back.
35,
8.
25,
Give me a back to back. You have a back to back?
68,
I got no 26.
26, 26,
28.
28,
Who got that?
28,
27.
27, 27,
8. Come on, give me a back to back now.
the number 8,
Give me a back to back now. Give me a back to back now. Back to back. Back to back.
5,
Back to back.
the number 5,
13.
13, 1,
Oh,
3,
I got it. Got it.
20,
Bingo!
0, 0,
Oh, wow. I had this one. Oh, yeah, all the whole 13s. Oh, yes, thank you. It's only 300. The other person gets a 500. Remember when I told you when we don't have the whole, it's always the other way around?
63, she is 500. Congratulations to you both. Christine, what have you done? Having started the program, 53, 53, 49, 49, 41, 41, 61, 61, 7, the number 7, 1, the number 1, 36, 36, 50, 50,
Can you do what? Oh, yeah.
74,
Unless you want to save it for the next round. We got a lot.
71, 71, 33, 33, 64, 64, 8, the number 8,
Oh,
17, 1, 7, 4, the number 4, 15, 1, 5, 16, 72, 72,
I do? Oh, yeah, I do have it.
52,
Bingo!
52, Eagles and Balls and 53.
I didn't even look over there. I was looking straight down again. You know, I'll be missing it. I was paying attention to the straight down. That's why I needed 18 and 43. I wasn't even looking at it.
Number 3, zigzag. 217,
Yes.
33, 59,
Can you what? Yes.
and 64.
Because I got 11.99. 11.99, guys.
11, 1,199.
Zigzag.
Congratulations. Next is a pound. 666. 666.
56, 56, 54, 54, 47, 47, 59, 59, 4, number 4, 30, 30, 50, 50, 49, 49, 67, 67, 60, 60, 52, 52, 61, 61, 64, 64, 69.
Bingo!
Bingo, 69.